In this video, you'll learn how to fix an eBay dropshipping flag on your account. By following these steps, you will be able to identify the cause of the flag and take the necessary actions to restore your account's standing. Start by reviewing your account messages and performance notifications. This will help you find the specific reason your listings or account were flagged. Carefully read the policy warning, as it usually specifies the behavior that triggered the issue. Pay close attention to your recent listing, supplier sources, and tracking uploads to identify any violations of marketplace rules. Common causes for flags include using retailers as suppliers, late tracking uploads, or inconsistent shipping details. Comparing your practices with official dropshipping policies will help you clearly see what needs correction. Understanding the real cause is essential before attempting any fixes. Next, address any listing and supplier issues that may have contributed to the flag. Begin by replacing non-approved suppliers with legitimate wholesale or authorized distributors who permit direct fulfillment. Once you have new suppliers, update your listings to ensure that handling times, stock availability, and shipping origins align with the actual data provided by your suppliers. It is also important to remove any listings linked to problematic suppliers, as leaving them active can worsen your account. Make sure to upload tracking numbers promptly and ensure that the carrier names are correct so that the system can accurately recognize shipments. Adjust product descriptions to reflect the actual product and delivery expectations. Correcting these operational errors demonstrates your compliance and helps reduce risk signals. After correcting listing and supplier issues, focus on restoring account trust signals. Consistently maintain order fulfillment speed to keep your late shipment rate low. Respond to customer messages promptly and manage disputes professionally to improve your performance metrics. Be cautious about sudden spikes in listings or sales volume, as unusual activity can trigger automated reviews. It is advisable to monitor your seller dashboard daily to address any issues before they escalate. Gradually scale your listings instead of making significant changes all at once. Consistent and reliable activity is key to rebuilding account trust and preventing future flags. In addition to the previous steps, consider implementing best practices for your dropshipping business. Ensure that you are familiar with eBay's policies regarding dropshipping and adhere to them closely. This understanding will help you avoid potential pitfalls in the future. Keep a record of your suppliers and their compliance with eBay's requirements. Regularly review your performance metrics and make adjustments as needed to stay in good standing with the marketplace. Maintaining transparency with your customers will also contribute to a positive selling experience. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.